Hello world! The last thing you want when you're about to dedicate some time to work on music is to spend half the time sorting through existing projects to find what to work on. Here are 4 simple tips to help you better organize your project files and finish more music. Let's get started. One, project naming convention. When saving and naming project files, start the name of the project with the date you created it in the following format: year, month, day. This keeps all your projects in chronological order, making it easier to locate your more recent projects. 2. End every session with an export. At the end of each session, before closing the DAW or moving on to another project, export an MP3 of the project as it stands into the project folder. I hesitated to do this when I first started, as I was conscious of disk space. But in reality, an MP3 is often just a drop in the ocean compared to a typical project file size. Getting into this habit is invaluable, as it allows you to quickly audition your projects without having to open up and load the entire session. It also gives you a ready-made reference to listen to the track outside the context of your DAW. So at the start of your next session, you can critically listen to it from an audience perspective. 3. Use tags. Using tags is a great way to get an overview of all your projects. What's finished, what still needs doing, and how well you're actually doing at finishing the projects you started. You can create tags on both Mac and Windows, but on a Mac, you get the added benefit of being able to assign a color to each tag. Here are the tags I use. Done, green, for finished projects. Demo, blue. These are projects which I decide are no longer worth pursuing, but which still have some good ideas that I may want to come back to in the future. Cancelled, red. These are projects which I've come to realize are never really going to go anywhere. Marking these red is a way of saying, okay, it's time to stop coming back here and spend my time better on other projects. In progress, orange. These are the projects I'm working on, allowing me to quickly filter down the list of projects I should be concentrating on. And finally, not applicable, grey. These are projects I've used for things like analysing other songs, sampling, experimenting, really anything that doesn't directly contribute to a finished song. As well as making it easier to navigate my projects, the colours of these tags provide an extra motivation to turn any orange unfinished projects into green. Finally, 4. A new folder for each year. A good way to keep moving forward with music making is to keep each year of projects in a separate folder. At the start of each year, I create a new blank folder for all the projects I'll complete this year. Then, I go through all the projects from the previous year and move any done, demo, cancelled, and not applicable projects off my main computer and onto an external hard drive. This again pushes me to finish any incomplete projects still hanging around from the previous year, or to just make the decision of whether to stop pursuing some of them altogether, freeing up my hard drive and headspace. And there you have it. I hope these tips help you to stay more organized, focused, and finish more music. And if you have any organizational workflow tips like these of your own, please post them in the comments below. I'd love to hear about them. Click.